laden. For the most part, however, these aircraft are aged and require immense maintenance to stay aloft, which is costly to taxpayers and dents combat capability. The Pentagon, meanwhile, has been struggling to maintain aviation readiness across all service branches, with helicopters among the worst offenders. As a result, the military is working overtime to find a less burdensome way forward for what it calls vertical lift aircraft. They call it the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator. For the Army's part of this program, Textron Incorporated's Bell Helicopter subsidiary and Lockheed Martin Corporation's Sikorsky Aircraft, teamed up with Boeing, are offering dueling visions of futuristic rotor craft destined to replace the huge numbers of Black Hawk and Apache helicopters that, respectively, provide troop movement and attack capability. Both designs are focused on providing the Army with greater speed, range, and hover stability than is available in a traditional helicopter, all while reducing unit and maintenance costs. This final point is crucial, since the Pentagon believes these new aircraft will cost less to buy and maintain than its current, more delicate fleet. Bell Helicopter is modifying the tiltrotor technology featured in the existing V-22 Osprey for a smaller Army craft called the V-280 Valor. Tiltrotor craft have rotating propellers that allow them to take off like a helicopter and then fly like an airplane. The Osprey, despite suffering several fatal crashes in its development, has become a workhorse for the Marine Corps, which retains the majority of the 400 built to date. The Air Force has a few, too. With a flat carbon composite wing, the V-280 offers a crucial difference from the larger Osprey, which is built in conjunction with Boeing, in that the rotors move but not the entire engine housing. The flat wing design is aimed at affordability, as is the reduction of moving pieces when transitioning from lift to horizontal flight. Bell officials stressed the manufacturability of their design a half-dozen times during a recent tour of the company's Amarillo, Texas, assembly facility, where it's completing final tweaks for the V-280. The craft has a composite airframe and will cruise at 280 knots, 322 miles per hour, slightly speedier than the Osprey but dramatically faster than a helicopter. Bell plans to fly the V-280 Valor later this year. It's designed to carry 4 crew and 14 troops. The SB-1 Defiant is based on what Sikorsky calls X2 technology, which encompasses a coaxial rotor system, an aft propeller, active vibration controls, active rudders and elevators, and fly-by-wire controls. The Defiant will cruise at 250 knots, 288 miles per hour, and offer greater hover stability, too. The helicopter